Welcome back to Campbell Kitchen, everybody. Today we're making chicken teriyaki, the easiest recipe in the world. Mirin, soy sauce, sake, a little brown sugar, and a protein of your choice. I'm using my world famous Okinawan brown sugar, which is super expensive and may or may not be worth it. That's another debate. I'm using bone-in chicken thighs. So I'm just going to remove that bone and I'm going to keep the skin on. You can remove the skin too. Probably you're going to want to remove the skin. I left it on for this video, but it's a little bit better and less fatty with the skin removed. So I'm just slicing on both sides of the bone. I'm just gonna make a little hole with my finger, pull out the bone, boom, done. Now I'm gonna coat these thighs in potato starch. You can use flour or you can just keep it plain. The potato starch is gonna make that sauce nice and thick. It's also gonna prevent my chicken from sticking to the pan. It does a really good job at that. So I'm just gonna do like a light dusting. It doesn't all, you don't have to pack it in. You just kind of move it back and forth, a little bit on both sides, totally fine. And then what we're going to do is make our teriyaki sauce. Now, for the teriyaki sauce, you want sake that you would drink. Don't skimp on this. Don't buy the cheapest sake, otherwise your sauce is going to taste like crap. Buy something that's decent. Mirin, you can get that at the grocery store. So it's half a cup sake, half a cup mirin. We're going to go 2 tablespoons soy sauce. You might want to do 3. It depends. This is double brewed soy sauce. It's a little bit lighter in salt, darker in color. Then I'm doing 1 giant heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. You could do white sugar. Shake it all up, and that is all it takes for a beautiful teriyaki sauce. Okay, that's in its raw state. Once you cook out the alcohol and it reduces to a syrup consistency, then that's your finished product. But first, what we're going to do is pan fry the chicken. So I'm adding about 1/4 inch of oil to a saute pan over medium-high heat. I'm adding that chicken in, and it's really just going to get nice and crispy. I'm not going to get it too dark. I don't really care. It's not like fried chicken. I'm just getting a little crust on it. It's a little blonde. Totally fine with that. And then what we're going to do is flip it over, crisp it up, drain the fat, right? So this whole process probably took me like 8 minutes. So you want like a nice blonde crust. You don't need like a dark crust. Drain the fat, add your teriyaki sauce. Now, once you add your teriyaki sauce, turn the heat to medium, low, and then just let it reduce, slowly cooking your chicken. That sauce is going to thicken up. That alcohol is going to evaporate. It's going to get nice and sweet. You can add a pinch of salt, a little pinch of white pepper or black pepper if you'd like, and just spoon it over your chicken. And that's really, literally all it takes. If you're worried about your chicken not being quite cooked, cover it with a lid. Now, you have your beautiful rice that you got rid of all that starch so it separates nicely. And then you put your chicken thigh right on top, pour your sauce over. And this is a nice little lunch for you. Your kids are going to love it. It's super easy. You can do it with salmon. You can do it with all different types of fish. You can do it with pork. I mean, you can do it with whatever. This is a quick go-to, very easy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming in the future and have a wonderful day.